Alright guys, so you can see here on my screen over $300 paid directly into my PayPal account. And in this video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you the exact steps that I took to get this amount of money paid into my PayPal account. And those of you wondering, oh, how did you get to do it? I'm telling you, the exact steps I took are very, very simple that anybody who is interested in making money online can follow to start making real money online for themselves. So what I did was that I used a simple tool, was what I used in extracting the business data of certain persons, and once I was able to get all of this data, I gave it out to somebody who was willing to pay me $300 for it. Very easy and very, very simple. So this is one simple method that anybody can use, anybody can follow to make real money online for themselves. And now the tool I made use of is the Leads Sniper Yellowpages Scraper tool. So if you actually been watching more of my videos, you realize I talk about those two a lot. And in this video, this tool was able to put $300 into my PayPal account, and that is what you yourself are going to learn. You're going to be making use of to get money paid into your PayPal account. Now, come to think about it, there are so many people out there who are making use of the same method to make real money online for themselves. So if I go over here on Fiverr, you can see, and I search for lead gen expert or data extractor or data extraction persons, you're going to be finding a lot of persons here who are making real money online for themselves by selling data, and that is what we are going to be doing. But me, you can see me here over $300 paid, and you can see somebody here is actually making more than $10, $60 every single day by doing such. So what you need to do is very simple and very easy to do. So firstly, we are going to be making use of a tool. So the name of the tool that's going to be helping us to extract all of this data that people are going to be buying from us is the Leads Sniper Yellowpages Scraper tool. So the Leads Sniper tools are one super amazing tools that can be used for data extraction from Facebook, from Twitter, from Google Maps, and also from the Yellowpages side. So mainly I'm going to be talking about the Yellowpages side because that was where I got my money from. Very easy and very simple to do. So once you've been able to assimilate the whole idea, what you need to do right now is you want to make use of this tool to start extracting data that can be sold, and in exchange you are going to be making real money online for yourself. All right, so making use of the Lead Sniper tools is a very, very easy and very, very simple one to do. So if you have been conversant here on my channel, you realize I talk about those two a lot, and many of my videos here I've talked about how to install this tool, how to activate it, and how to do a whole lot of things. So today I'm just going to give you through a brief of actually what I did exactly, all right, to get this amount of data. I mean 20,000 data gotten in few hours. So that is actually what I want to show you right now. So all you need to do right now is once you've been able to install those tools, you've been able to activate it. Remember I told you videos here on my channel will show you how to do it. So once you've been able to do all of that, it means that you are ready to use this tool for getting maximum results. So quickly, I'm going to go ahead and open up the first browser, and you can see here on the first browser, all I need to do is to reuse this person's lead list, just to give you guys an example, show you guys how I did it. So I'm still going to be making use of the lead list again, and I'm just going to copy all the lead lists here. You can see I also have the location. So all of this was basically provided by my client. So he provided me with the lead list and everything I needed. All I need to do is to just provide him data in return, and I'm also going to put that right here. Good. Now once I have that right here, I'm also going to come back here. I'm going to copy the location because the location here is based in the US. I'm going to copy this location here. I'm going to paste it right here, and you can see this very point here. I'm going to go ahead and choose the United States of America because location. So that is the exact location that he is targeting, the United States of America. So once I've been able to input all of that here, very simple. I'm not going to click on start right now. Good. I'm going to make use of the other browser so that simultaneously I can have two browsers running, and making use of two browsers has actually given me an edge against my competitors. Why? Because I get to deliver much more in a very less period of time. So I'm going to go over to the next browser, and here on the next browser, I'm still going to repeat the same process again. You can see I'm going to copy this niche here. You can see it's quite a long list. I'm going to copy this niche here. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to paste it right here on the tool, and I'm also going to go back and copy the exact location as well, and it's still in the US, right? So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to have that right here, and I'm going to go ahead and select United States. And I want you to note something, should in case you don't have Okay, so should in case the person you're working with or the leads you want to get has to be with United States and Canada, it doesn't really matter. You can actually use US for the first browser, and you can also use Canada on the second browser. Remember, I told you that this was actually my client specification, and that is why I am making use of it. So most times you might be asked to get data from Canada, and you might be asked to get data from Germany. You might be asked to get data from United States, and you might also be asked to get data from Germany. So either ways, you can use the two browsers simultaneously to get data of different niches and different locations. So I believe I have cleared that already. So once I've been able to input all of that, you can see on the two browsers we have everything ready to go. So I'm going to click on start on the first browser, and I'm also going to click on start on the second browser. So now you can see how that simultaneously, all right, the tool is beginning to help me get data of my targeted needs. So it is easy, very, very easy. And you can see in few hours from now, guys, I'm telling you the truth, I'm going to be getting over 10,000 data already just by making use of two browsers. So those of you who basically really want to make money online, I'm telling you, this should be a go-to software for you if you are interested in making real money online for yourself. So within few hours, I was able to get 20,000, and I delivered it the same day, and I was paid my money. So it's very easy and very simple to do. So I'm going to allow this to keep on running, and the more I allow this run, the more data that I would get for myself. And most times I can be a good Samaritan by even over delivering. So maybe somebody reached out to me and asked me for 10,000, I might go ahead and deliver 12,000. Why? Because I have maximum result with those tools. So Leads Sniper tools are just so beautiful, and they are just so amazing. So far so good. I've been making use of those tools for months, if not going to years now, and so far I have not got any complaints against them. Okay, no complaint against them. Why? Because my client and even myself, we are really satisfied with the kind of data we get from them. And now you can see how that people are paying a lot of money to get you and I work for them by giving them data of their targeted interest. So if you want to go start making real money on and off for yourself, you can consider this method. Make use of the same method, make use of the Leads Sniper tools. You get the data, you deliver it, and you make real money for yourself. So I'm going to allow this browser keep on running, and probably once this is ready, I'm going to come back and show you guys the result. But right before I click off this video, right before I pause off this video, let me walk you through the pricing plans, so you yourself, you get to choose which one of them is going to be fine for you to use. So you can see here on the Leads Sniper pricing plan here, guys, you can see that we have just three. We have only just three pricing plans here, okay? And you can see to the first plan here is going to be giving you access to working on just one browser, okay? So one browser on this tool means that you can only use just one browser. You can use multiple browsers to get your data. And if you're going to be paying this amount of money here, you're going to be paying just for a lifetime. I've said this several times here on my channel. All right, the Leads Sniper tools is just a one-time payment, and the one-time payment is a lifetime payment. So you don't need to you don't have to renew your plan or renew your subscription. Once you've been able to make a one-time payment, you've paid for life. And something super about this tool is that even when they release future update, you yourself get to benefit from it. So the first browser here, remember, is going to give you only one installation field. The second one here is going to work on multiple browsers as your choice. You can see here on multiple browsers. So I'm going to show you can see here on my screen boldly on different multiple browsers here. And remember, I told you a one-time payment is a one-time payment for all. So you can see here the third plan here, the third plan, which is the best value plan, is going to work on 10 different browsers. I mean 10 different browsers. I should tell you this for a fact. If you have 10 different browsers working for you, you are really going to be getting a whole lot of data to be sold, a whole lot of data to acquire. So very easy and very simple. So that's actually one of the reasons why I love the Leads Sniper tools. Why? Because me myself, I'm going with the popular plan here, which enables me work on different browsers. So if you want to be like me, if you want to do the things I do, you can go ahead and go for a multiple browser. That would give you an edge against your competitors. So once you've been able to get a pricing plan fixed for yourself, you can go ahead and activate your account. More on this is actually talked about in this video. So more of how to activate your account, I talked about it right here in this video. Very easy and very simple to do. So once this gets to at least 10,000 and above, I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to come back here, show you guys my result, and we are going to be rounding up the video. Alright guys, so you can see in a very short period of time, you can see over here on the first browser I've got 7,000, and you can see here on the second browser I've got over 9,000 data already gotten. So now you get to see how easy it is for you to use this tool to get thousands of data in a very short period of time. So if you're really serious about making real money online for yourself, you might want to consider following this exact method, alright, to make money online. So all you need to do, remember I told you, you just have to find somebody who's willing to pay you money, and of course you can go ahead on Fiverr, you can go on Upwork, and you can tell people this is actually what you do, and once they give you a job or once they give you a gig, you can make use of those tools to get the data you want, you deliver it, and you make real money for yourself. That's easy and very simple. Just from Twitter here, someone reached out to me. I don't know, yours might be from Facebook, yours might be from Fiverr, yours might be from Upwork, but I'm telling you that when it comes to data extraction, the best tool for you to use is the Leads Sniper tools. I mean, in terms of pricing and also in terms of deliverability, this tool is super amazing when it comes to that. So you can see here guys, I'm going to pause this video now. You can see actually paused already, and you can see I can go ahead and download my data if I want to. Here on the first browser, I'm going to click on export, and if I do that, you can see I have two formats in which I can download my result as. You can see, but mainly the people I work with, mainly they all make use of CXV. So me myself, I prefer CXV. Why? Because it is easy to deliver and all like that. And I'm going to click on download as CXV. Now if I click on download, you can see the first browser own has been downloaded. Now going over to the second browser, very easy to as well and very simple. You want to click on export, and if you click on export, you can see two format for you. Go ahead and choose the CXV format, and once you do that, you can see already downloaded. So now quickly going ahead and open up the both result, you can see what it looks like. So the first browser here, okay, very good. So you can see what this data result looks like, guys. Everything is well arranged. The Leads Sniper tools basically help you arrange all the data so as to make sure that you are delivering a clean list. Okay, so many people don't like it when your data is rough, and you yourself, you might not have the time to begin to arrange all of that. But don't worry, on the Leads Sniper tools, every of their data is well arranged, just like mine here. Very easy and very simple, good looking, and this is actually what my client needs. So this was actually what I did to get $300 paid into my PayPal account. Very easy and very simple to do. Now, considering the fact that I got just 1 gig for $300, meaning that I have been able to recover the money I used in buying a subscription here on Leads Sniper, and for a lifetime, I don't have to think about paying anything again to Leads Sniper tools. Why? Because a one-time payment has given me access to use this tool for a lifetime. So guys, you can see how amazing it can be, and sincerely, for those of you who really want to make money online, please try and engage in every of my videos so as to learn a method or two that can really put you up out there and start helping you make real money online for yourself. So all I have to do now is to deliver this to my client, and boom, I make real money for myself. No stress at all, guys. So if you really want to make money online, try using now this method, and I tell you that you're going to be finding yourself making good money online. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my other videos where I'm going to be talking about real ways on how to make real money online. I mean, practical things I do to make real money for myself online. So if you want to see videos like this, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and drop me a comment. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. And as well, I'm going to be leaving the link to the Leads Sniper tools down in the video description and also in the pinned comment for easy access. So I'll see you in my other videos. Take care of yourself, and bye.